Juniaje tena wadau na wadau, let's Teqcher fly tena hapa. Nimetokea tena na kahesabu manze, na leo tunaangalia vectors 2. Remember tushafanya vectors 1. Now vectors 2 inafunzwa pale form 3 and vectors 1 inafunzwa form 2. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. What has changed? Vectors 2 is so simple and very similar to what was taught in vectors 1, only that we shall use whatever knowledge we learned in vectors 1 kama foundation. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Now vectors in 2 dimensions, under vectors 1 tulikuwa tunachorewa Cartesian plane iko na the x-axis and the y-axis peke yake, and as you can see the points were showing the value in x-axis and the value in the y-axis, and from there we could write a column vector. Unaandika 2 3 namna hiyo, na ulikuwa na proceed unatafuta kitu inaitwa length, magnitude or modulus by just saying the sum of the x and the y, and of course squares of them, and then you find the square root. So basically kama hiyo unasema 2 square plus 3 square, alafu unatafuta the square root. Now in 3 dimensions, vectors in 3 dimensions, tunaongezewa a new axis called the z-axis. So basically we have a Cartesian plane for 3-dimensional figures, ambayo ama for representing vectors in 3 dimensions, of which iko na the x-axis, the y-axis and the z-axis. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Such that a shape like this, my dear friend, is developed into a cube or a cuboid or a 3-sided figure or a 3-dimensional figure. Basically ikiona 3 sides ndio inaitwa 3 dimensions. Nikikupa example ya kiberiti kama you can see the front view, the side view and the top view. So unaona kitu kama hii, unaona 3 sides ndio inaitwa 3 dimensions. And nikichora kitu kama hii lazima nitumie Cartesian plane ya 3D, of which iko na the x-axis, the y-axis and the z-axis. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Of which points zitakuwa sasa 3 representing the x, y and the z axis. Hapo sawa? Nice one. So sasa tutakuwa na point ina represent its location in the x axis, the y axis and the z axis, of which sasa kama hapa 3 ndio p kwa x axis ni 3, p kwa y axis ni 0 and p kwa z axis ni 1. And to write its column vector ni vile tulikuwa tunafanya in vectors 1, you just write ukishuka namna hii 3 0 1. Now this is a column vector, and very simple to get its length, modulus or magnitude. Una square just this, you square and add them. So I just square 3 square plus 0 square plus 1 square, and then I look for the square root. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. I hope manze umeelewa. Kitu ingine manze yenye ni rahisi sana na nipo ujue ni kwamba tulisema the unit vector for x-axis is called vector I, the unit vector for y-axis is called vector j, and the unit vector for the z-axis now is called the vector k. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So basically here we shall have vectors I, j and vectors k. Remember, pale in 2 dimensions, vectors zilikuwa just with vector I and vector j representing the x and the y axis. So I hope umeelewa. Meet you in the next episode. Bye.